You rewrite a function. 3 hours of optimizing. You run it again. Exactly as slow as before.
You were optimizing a line that was never the problem.
Almost every developer guesses the bottleneck wrong at least once. I am Mahaz. Episode 48, Profiling and Performance. How to measure your code instead of guessing about it. We will cover timeit, cProfile, line_profiler, and memory_profiler.
Let us see exactly how Python profiling works.
For reasons guessing the slow part usually fails. First, intuition focuses on the code you wrote last.
Second, a tiny function inside a loop adds up fast.
Third, real bottlenecks often hide in library calls. Fourth, profiling replaces opinion with an actual number.
Guessing wastes hours. Measuring takes seconds.
That is the entire difference. If timeit runs your code thousands of times automatically, it averages out noise from one single slow run. It even disables garbage collection during the test. Pass it a function and a number of repeats.
It hands back one trustworthy number total seconds. Perfect for comparing two small snippets fairly.
Side by side, manual timing versus timeit. Time measures exactly one run. That one run can be slowed by garbage collection.
Timeit runs thousands of times and averages the result.
It also disables garbage collection while it measures.
One number you can actually trust.
cProfile breaks an entire program down, function by function. Tracks how many times each function ran. It tracks total time spent inside each one. Time includes the calls a function makes underneath it.
Sort by time and the real bottleneck stands out instantly. One line cProfile.run, and you finally know.
Let us profile a slow data pipeline step by step. First, cProfile.run on the entire pipeline function. The report shows clean taking 4.8 seconds. Analyze barely shows up, 20 milliseconds, basically nothing.
We were about to optimize the wrong function entirely. Fix clean. Rerun cProfile. Confirm the number actually dropped.
30-second pause before line-by-line profiling. If why is this slow ever felt unanswerable, this channel exists to show you how to actually find out. Every episode is one real mechanism explained simply. One subscribe keeps this series going.
2 seconds. Tap it now.
Okay, line-by-line profiling is next. This one is satisfying. cProfile finds the slow function. Line_profiler finds the slow line. Add the @profile decorator above the function in question. Run it with kernprof and you get every line's time. Most lines finish in microseconds, instantly, basically free.
One line, normalize, eats almost the entire function's time. Now you know precisely what to rewrite.
Slow is not the only problem, memory matters too. Memory_profiler tracks how many megabytes each line adds. One list comprehension adds 380 megabytes instantly.
A second full copy of the data doubles that cost.
A generator would have used almost no extra memory.
Same answer, same line-by-line view, just measuring memory.
8 places profiling saves real engineering time. AI training loops profile the data loader, not just the model.
API endpoints find the one slow handler under load.
Long-running services catch a memory leak before it crashes. Hyperparameter sweeps shave seconds off thousands of runs.
Profile before you scale, not after the bill arrives.
3 mistakes that catch everyone profiling for the first time. Mistake 1, optimizing code before measuring it at all.
That is the exact habit that wastes 3-hour sessions.
Mistake 2, profiling on tiny test data, not real-size data. Small inputs can hide the bottleneck completely. Mistake 3, shipping code with profiling decorators left on.
Profiling overhead in production quietly slows everything down.
Mini project, the full optimization workflow. Step 1, cProfile the whole pipeline, sort by time. Step 2, line_profiler the single worst function found.
Step 3, form one hypothesis, apply one targeted fix.
Step 4, rerun cProfile and confirm the time actually dropped. Step 5, stop once the result is good enough.
Measure, fix once, remeasure, never the other way around.
Your challenge. Compare two implementations of the same function with timeit. Step 1. Write a slow version and a faster version. Step 2. Time both with timeit and number equals 10,000.
Step 3. Run cProfile on a small 10-line script.
Bonus, install line_profiler and profile the slowest function.
Paste your before and after timings in the comments.
I reply to every single one. Let us recap what you learned today.
Timeit gives you reliable, noise-free timing for snippets.
cProfile breaks a whole program down by function.
Line_profiler zooms into one function, line by line. Memory_profiler tracks memory growth the exact same way.
Measure, fix once, remeasure, that is the real workflow. Next episode, CLI tools with argparse and typer. Running your AI experiments cleanly from the terminal. Subscribe so you do not miss it. See you tomorrow.
Profiling unlocked.
Guessing is no longer your optimization strategy.
You now measure before you touch a single line.
Bottlenecks, memory leaks, slow endpoints, all findable now. Subscribe for the next episode. Tell me what you will profile first. I am Mahaz. See you in episode 49.